how to set voicemail notifications to alert or silent on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, tap on the phone app. Next, tap on the more button. And from the pop-up menu, tap on settings. Now in call settings, scroll down and then tap on voicemail. After that, tap on notifications. Then here, if you want to silent your voicemail notifications, simply select silent. Otherwise, if you want to set it to alert, you can choose the default sound, or you can select one of the available sound from the list. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.